A lot of people associate Rachel Zoe with the early Hollywood styling era. But what's important to understand is this: Rachel Zoe is still relevant because the fashion industry still operates through many of the systems she helped popularize. And that matters for anyone trying to understand modern fashion business. Rachel Zoe helped elevate styling from a support role into a form of fashion leadership. Today, stylists influence brand visibility, luxury partnerships, editorial direction, consumer behavior, and celebrity image building. That wasn't always the case. Rachel Zoe helped push that evolution forward, and her influence extended beyond clothing. She understood something very early: fashion visibility drives business, not only garments, not only design, visibility. That idea became central to how fashion brands now operate, especially in Los Angeles. Even today, you can still see Rachel Zoe's influence in celebrity campaigns, social media styling culture, luxury lifestyle branding, and fashion marketing partnerships. The industry became more image driven, more personality driven, and more visually strategic. Very Los Angeles and beyond styling. Rachel Zoe also showed people in fashion that creative influence could evolve into entrepreneurship, brand collaborations, media, product partnerships, fashion storytelling. She helped prove that fashion careers could expand beyond traditional roles. That's important for younger people entering the industry to understand. Fashion today includes branding, media, visual identity, styling, relationships, and cultural positioning. Rachel Zoe understood that early, and that's why she still has respect in fashion today, not just because of celebrity history, but because her work helped shape how modern fashion visibility still functions right now. That's real contribution to the business of fashion, and that's part of the Los Angeles fashion legacy.